yesterday we woke up to Becca. Becca woke up with a stomach bug today, so Drew's home with the kids watching movies. We're not processing rabbits today. They're 14 weeks. I like to process between 12 and 16 weeks so that the meat is young and tender and they're not reproducing yet because we don't need any accidental litters. I'm out running errands. I just enrolled Becca in first grade at our local public school. We homeschooled part of last year and this is, I think, a good move. It's what she wants for sure. She misses her friends. And now I'm gonna go pick up some feed for the animals and go grocery shopping. I don't get to grocery shop by myself very often. It's nice in the summer. Our grocery budget is half because we're growing so much of our own vegetables and meat. I really just bought fruit, laundry detergent, trash bags, and potato chips.